Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome on tours. Hope you're all doing well. We're in the lovely Faro and we're going to take a little walk to the beach, show you guys how to get there. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe.
Hey, you know me straight but my cup full of lean. So tell the rats and my pocket full of cheese. Be a bad girl, roll with the team. Design up on my shirt and my puppy up your jeans. Got me fresh, 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 fresh. I saw me clean to me step, I saw me.
So we're just taking a walk along the lovely marina here in Faro, and this is the way you walk to get the ferry to the beach. It's a really still day, really nice. Not as hot as yesterday, but the sun is out, so it is still get a tan. And then you've got a little sort of market there as well. You guys can see in that sort of distance, but we're heading to the ferry. So let's go. So we made it to where you get all the boats. We're getting the one to the Faro Beach, and if you want to come and have a look at the price, you can pay cash or card. Yeah, perfect. And then you can also do any other like boat tours or excursions as well along here. Looks really still out there, doesn't it? And not too choppy. Right, walking over train tracks. I'm just going to go get the boat now. Right, let's have a little walk down.
Ah, pour de vrai en plus, c'est vraiment ce bateau, on a même des serviettes de plage. Faut y aller en fait, c'est pas à droite. Mais non.
Right, so here comes our boat. It's like a little catamaran, isn't it? Alright guys, we've just arrived at the beach. The ferry ride was about half an hour to 40 minutes. A little bit chilly in the air, but really, really nice. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's see Wagwan. Right, so we've arrived. And I'm parched after that, so let's go and find a drink. There's a couple of little restaurants, let's have a look. So we've got a shop there, and a snack bar, and Rudy's bar. Looks like they're re-tarmac in there though, doesn't it? Don't know if we can walk over that. Getting it ready, I'm guessing, for the busy summer. We've never actually been here before, so we've been to Faro, five times, and we've never done this, so this is our first time, so you guys are seeing it for the first time with us. Wow, so here's one of the beaches. Looks really nice. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go and take a closer look. Wow, absolutely beautiful. You've also got like windsurfers over there, and I can see why. Absolutely perfect weather for doing that. This looks really serene. If you like a nice beach, this is definitely one to come and visit if you do come to Faro. I'll definitely put it on your list of things to do. Literally half an hour, 40 minutes from the main part.
Clear the way. You know a one lad got in a place. Hey, you know me straight but my cup full of lean. So tell the rats and my pocket full of cheese. I be a bad girl, roll with the team. Design up on my shirt and my puppy up in jeans. Got me fresh, 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 fresh. I saw me clean to me step, I saw me fresh, yeah, fresh, man, fresh. You know me fresh, yeah, fresh, fresh, yeah. I saw me clean to me step, I saw me. Bust down chain, I go da Kalani. Dalios pretty like a Barbie. Fresh water, teriyaki with saucy. Don't I send Thomas yo, cause link you charge it. Now we're designer if me can't buy 10. One them in the fake and I hype like them. Them foot a size 7 but the shoe size 10. So you know them a borrow from friend. But man, fresh, 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 fresh. I saw me clean to me step, I saw me fresh, yeah, fresh, man, fresh. You know me fresh, yeah, fresh, fresh, yeah. I saw me clean to me step, I saw me well clean designer on feet. Wouldn't unite if man couldn't pay a fee. It ain't cheap, chain got AC, flex the AP, fresh Balenci. Fendi for the girls, upgrade from feel at the Benz blast off, can't see me John Cena. Me full of clothes, me full of girls, she love the accent. Chiropractor, forget her back then.